What is 0.875% as a fraction in simplest form? So you can rewrite this 0.875% means 1 over 100. Now multiply, percent means 1 over 100 multiplied 0.875 divided by 100. To divide this decimal by 100, look, 10 to the power 2 means 100, so 100 is a power of 10 number. So to divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left equal to the number of zeros. So move the decimal, how many places? 2 places, as we have 2 zeros. 1 place, placeholder 0, 2 place here. So decimal 00875. You can add more 0 to mean that this number is less than 1. So this is the decimal form. And now convert this decimal number to fraction. So how to do that? Just we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, skip the decimal, write the number you are getting. Okay, these 30 don't have any value, so skip. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. So we have here 5 digits. So write 5, 10 as a multiplication. 3, 4, 10. Now you need to simplify this fraction. So how to do that? If you want to simplify this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. And if you want to simplify this fraction in multi-step, then just divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. If you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2, and if you divide this by 5, what you will get? Look at here. 5 goes into 8, 1 times 5, 5, 3. Bring down the next digit. 5 goes into 37, 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. Times 5, 25. So 175. Okay. Again, this 175 is divisible by 5, and this 10 is divisible by 5. And if you divide, 5 goes into 17 3 times, 3 times 5, 15. Subtract 2, bring down this digit. 5 goes into 25, 35. Okay. Again, this is divisible by 5, and I will get 7. This is divisible by 5, I will get 2. Okay. The 7 is a prime number, and it has only two factors, 1 and 7. Okay. So write 7, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8 times 1 times 1, 1, 0, 0. So 7 over 8 times 1, 8, 0, 0. Since 7 is a prime number, so only common factor between this and this is 1. So we can say that this is the simplest form.